Hi everyone. So is AI really getting smarter or just sounding smarter? Everyone is hyping up AI, but which model is actually smartest? Is it Cloud? Is it GPT-4? Is it Gemini? Is it Mistral? Is it DeepSeek or LLaMA or something else? But before we start, a quick context. The Stanford AI Index is one of the most trusted annual reports tracking the progress of AI worldwide, including how well the top model actually perform. Stanford's AI Index ran the ultimate test. So in this video, I will break down each of these benchmarks, explain what it really means, and show you who wins where. All right. So the first benchmark is HLE. So let us see what is HLE stands for. So HLE is humanity's last exam. It's a benchmark full of advanced questions on logic, philosophy, ethics, reasoning. Basically, these are the things that require a pretty deep thoughts. But here is what it makes different. So in this model or in this benchmark, it doesn't just ask, was the model right? It also asks, how sure was the model? And so in this particular benchmark, we will see three different attributes or three different factors. Factor number one is accuracy. This means how many answers the model got right. If it got 21 out of 100, that is 21% accuracy. The next one is confidence. So this is how sure the models say it is. Like, I am 95% confident the answer is C. So here we are also measuring the confidence score. And the third one is, or the third factor is calibration. This checks whether the confidence matches reality. So if someone says, I am 90% confident, but does it make the reality, right? In other words, a well calibrated model that says I'm 80% confidence should be always right 8 out of 10 times. So with that, I'm just presenting you HLE for all models. So Gemini 1.5 scores the top, but here is the thing: the top scorer is only 21.6% accuracy. Its confidence score 93%. Even though its accuracy is 21.6, it says 93% of times that it is confidence this answer is correct. So obviously it calls for the high calibration error, and the calibration error over here is 72%. The next one, GPT-4. Now GPT-4 is not very far behind Gemini 1.5. Accuracy is 20.3, but the major difference is confidence score. So it says I'm only 54% confident that my answer is correct. So obviously it has less calibration error. So calibration error with GPT-4 is 34%, and so on and forth. For example, DeepSeek has 14% accuracy. It also has very high confidence score, though 92%, as you can see, and calibration error is 78%. Cloud 2.1 is 10.7 accuracy, 84% confidence. Calibration error is 73. Lowest is Mistral medium, is just 4.5% accurate, and it has confidence score of 82%, calibration error of 77%. LLaMA 8.2% accuracy, confidence score is 60%, and calibration error is 71%. So in summary, obviously Gemini scored the highest, but was a way too confident. GPT-4 was nearly as good, but much more honest. Is clear winner, but if you consider all the factor, GPT-4 is the winner. All right, so the next benchmark is MMLU based general intelligence. So what is MMLU? MMLU stands for Massive Multitask Language Understanding. It tests the model across 57 subjects. For example, law, history, science, business, and more. So you can think of MMLU as a university exam that covers virtually everything. So here are the scores. So Gemini Ultra is almost 90% accurate. And in that sense, it outperforms even the human experts. So Gemini scores really well over here. GPT-4 is 86.4, so which is highly consistent as well. Cloud 3.5, on the other hand, is 85% accurate, which also good for logical and structured answers. DeepSeek R1, 82% accurate, based open source model, as we can see. Mistral Medium is 63% accurate, great for lightweight design sort of questionnaires. And then LLaMA 3 is like 69% accurate, and it is based open weight meta model so far. So here on MMLU, many of these models are doing really good compared to HLE. And summary is Gemini Ultra is the smartest overall. GPT-4 and Cloud are close behind. DeepSeek is a surprise winner for an open model. All right, so the next benchmark is math or mathematical reasoning. So what is this benchmark? So the math benchmark is how well models solve symbolic math problem like algebra, geometry, proofs, etc. These aren't the simple calculations as we can imagine. These are the complex world problems that require multi-step logic. So here is how the scoring goes. So DeepSeek Maths 7B is almost 61% accurate, and this is the model which is trained by DeepSeek specifically for math. Then there is Mistral. Again, this is 57% accurate. This is math-focused version of Mistral. GPT-4 is 56% accurate, which found to be reliable and consistent across various problem domains. Cloud 3.5 is 55% accurate. Again, it is excellent at structured reasoning. Gemini 1.5 is nearly 53%, which is a strong language model, also decent in math. LLaMA 3 is 47% accurate. So it is decent in math and limited symbolic depth. So summary, DeepSeek Math is designed for math, and obviously it leads the pack. GPT-4 and Cloud are neck and neck, which is amazing considering they are just a general purpose language models. All right, so the next benchmark is SWE-bench for code understanding. So what is SWE-bench? This benchmark simulates real-world software engineering. The model is given a GitHub issue and asked to write a fix, like a pull request. It tests how well the model understands and writes production quality code. So here are the results. Cloud 3.5 tops with 38.2% of tasks solved. So it is based for real world coding tasks. GPT-4 is second with 34% accuracy, strong on logic and clarity. Gemini 1.5 is almost 30% accurate, verbose but useful code. DeepSeek Coder is 28%, fast and lightweight. Mistral 7B is approximately 20%, basic suggestions only, and LLaMA 3 is around 22%. It performs basic coding tasks well. So summary, obviously Cloud leads in software development tasks, but GPT-4 is right there. Gemini and DeepSeek are great for lighter tasks. Okay, so let us recap everything. So here is the summary for top models in each of these category. So first category we saw was reasoning, which is reasoning HLE, and GPT-4 is the top model when it comes to well-calibrated. Gemini was the runner-up if you just look at the accuracy score. General intelligence, the top model, and GPT-4 is the runner-up. Math, DeepSeek Math is the top model and followed by GPT-4 and Cloud. And then coding, Cloud 3.5 is the top model followed by GPT-4. So in summary, Gemini is book smart, GPT-4 is well-rounded, Cloud is a coding champ, DeepSeek dominates math, LLaMA is fast and improving in every category. So the real question is, which one do you trust for your work? You can let me know that in your comments. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more real AI insights, and I will see you in the next one.